Welcome class 6 students. Welcome in our e-learning class of Bardhan Model School. Student of class 8, in the previous class, in the previous live class, we have discussed the basic terms of geometry, and I have discussed there 7 or 8 terms, and some terms are, few of them are left. Today I will discuss those terms, okay. And I think I have discussed up to polygon. After that, triangle I have also discussed. The triangle means a polygon having 3 sides. Polygon means also a closed, simple closed curve, and triangle is a one type of polygon having 3 sides. Triangle having 3 sides, that is the polygon. And triangle it has 3 vertices A, B, C. Vertices means these corner points are called vertices. These corner points are called vertices. 3 vertices, that is A, B and C, and side that is AB, BC and AC. And angle, it has 3 angles, that is this angle can be written as angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Angle 1 is, that is ABC, sorry, angle 1 is angle BAC, angle 2 is ABC, and angle 3 is ACB, okay. 3 angles are there, so 3 vertices, 3 angles and 3 sides are there. And based on side and angles, we can classify triangles in various way. Later we will discuss on it, what is acute angle triangle, what is obtuse angle triangle, what is right angle triangle, and on side what is equilateral triangle, what is isosceles triangle, what is scalene triangle. This type of triangles I will discuss later. Next, moving on, quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means a simple closed curve having 4 sides. Simple closed curve having 4 sides, that is quadrilateral. Okay, that is quadrilateral. So quadrilateral ABCD, 4 vertices here, ABCD, 4 vertices are there. The vertices, that is A, B, C and D, and side AB, BC, CD and AD. And angle, how many angles are there? 4 angles are there. 4 angles are, and listen, in triangle the sum of 3 angles of a triangle, that is 180, and in quadrilateral sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral, this is 360. That angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Angle 1 means, 1 can be written as BAD, okay. Angle 2 that is ABD. Angle 3 BCD, and angle 4 ADC, okay, ADC. These 4 angles I have written here, that is angle BAD. The angle, that vertex should be in the middle. Angle 2 angle 2 means ABC, not ABD, ABC, okay, ABC. And third angle BCD, C is in middle, and angle 4, that is ADC, D is in the middle, okay. These 4 angles of a quadrilateral. Next, so on the basis of sides, and we can divide the quadrilateral in 5 or 6 types, that is square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, okay. But later in the higher class we will discuss this. Now, so quadrilateral means having 4 sides, a polygon having 4 sides, whose and sum of the angles of a quadrilateral, that is 360 degree. Now next is circle. What is circle? First of all, circle means this type of figure, okay, round shape figure, okay. If I give a definition, what is circle? Circle means a circle consisting of some points in a plane, and from a given point, the distance of each point are same. It means these are the circle consisting on some points, these are the points, and this, if I add this point, we will get the circle, and from a fixed point, the distance of every point is same. That is the definition of circle, okay, that is the definition of circle. So now we have learned the parts of a circle. So circle, that is a round shape figure, that is called circle, and the fixed point from where the every distance on it is same, that is called center. So that is called center, okay, that point is center. If I draw a line from here, that is point O and point A, if it is 10 centimeter, it will be also 10 centimeter, it will be also 10 centimeter, it will be also 10 centimeter. So that is that point O is the center, and the line joining on that part is called circumference. That part is called circumference, okay, circumference. The line joining the center and any point on the circumference is called radius, okay, radius, that is OA, OB, OC, OD, and is the measure of a radius of a circle of radius is same, okay. Now any circle cannot have two different type of radius, okay. The radius means the distance between center and any point on the circumference. Now next, diameter. What is diameter? Diameter means the line, first of all chord, okay. After chord I will discuss the diameter. Chord means the line joining two points lie on the circumference. Let us take, here is a point A and here is a point B, that is chord, Another point here C, BC is also the chord, okay, BC is also the chord. Now chord means the line joining any two points on the circumference, line segment joining any two points on the circumference, that is chord. Now next, diameter. Diameter means the chord which is passing through the center, that is the chord B and D which is passing through the center. Why it is chord? Chord means joining of 2 points B and D which lie on the circumference, and as it is passing through center, that then it is called diameter. So one question, student, what is the largest chord of a circle? What is the largest chord of a circle? The answer is diameter. Diameter is the largest chord of a circle. Next, arc. What is arc? Arc means part of circle. Arc means part of circle. O, that part taken, it is called arc, okay. And I think this is arc is a part of circle, and in class 6 this is that parts are in your syllabus. In higher class we will learn what is sector, and on sector we will discuss many sums, okay. But so in basic introduction video in the previous class and today's class, I have discussed some terms. Again I am repeating this: point, then line segment, then ray, line, after that polygon, angle, triangle, quadrilateral, and circle, and various parts of circle. I hope your concept on that terms are clear. If you have any doubt on the concept of parts of the basic terms of geometry, you can ask me in ePortal. Okay, then I will solve your doubt. I will try to solve your doubt. Students, thank you.